If your sneakers have started to feel like the slightly wrong answer, even when the rest of your outfit is right, you are not imagining it. The shoe category is shifting, not because sneakers are wrong, because something else has arrived that does what sneakers used to promise. Ease, modernity, confidence without the visual weight. 6 shoes, and for each one, the exact outfit formula that makes it land. The first is the one that has already quietly taken over the wardrobes of the most consistently elegant women you are watching online. The Encore Flat, a structured loafer. Not the chunky lug sole version, but the classic low-profile shape, in a neutral that either matches or deepens the tone of the bottom. Tan with camel trousers, black with black jeans, chocolate with dark wash denim. Here is why it works structurally. It grounds the outfit without breaking the line of the leg. A sneaker lifts the eye. A flat loafer extends it. That extra 3 inches of visual leg length is not a trick. It is a proportion correction, the formula. Wide leg or straight leg jeans. Always tone match the loafer to the trouser. With a midi skirt, the loafer needs hem proximity to read as deliberate. With a dress, only a structured midi, never a floaty one. Shoe 2, the precision point. The second shoe is the one most women dismissed in their 20s because it felt too conservative, and are now discovering is one of the most structurally intelligent shoes available. The precision point, a kitten heel court shoe. The heel is 2 to 4 centimeters, just enough lift to change the angle of the foot without creating the imbalance of a full heel. The toe is pointed or slightly tapered. The upper is clean. No platform, no texture, no embellishment that competes. This shoe does something the flat cannot. It creates a visual signal of intention. The viewer's eye registers a heel and reads the outfit as decided. That difference between something that looks assembled and something that looks chosen is the entire gap this shoe closes. The formula. Black slim pants or tailored trousers. Pointed toe extends the leg line exactly where it matters. Midi skirt. Choose a kitten heel that shares a tone with the skin or skirt to avoid visual interruption. Wide leg jeans only works if the hem grazes the floor, otherwise the proportions invert. If you want a precise diagnosis of exactly which part of your wardrobe is creating visual noise, there's a free quiz in the description. 8 questions. It takes 3 minutes and tells you where to start. Link is below. Shoe 3. The texture signal. The third shoe is the one that is arriving in the wardrobes of women who have already done the work and will be everywhere by the end of summer. A woven flat, the huarache, the artisanal slingback. Whatever construction the brand is calling it, the defining feature is the same. A visible weave or interlace that introduces texture at the foot without adding visual weight. This shoe solves a specific problem. The flat loafer does not. An all-smooth monochromatic outfit that reads as slightly incomplete. The woven flat adds what I call a tactile anchor. The formula: white or light wash, wide leg jeans with a linen blazer. The contrast between clean denim and woven leather is the mechanism. A linen or cotton midi dress. The natural fiber story becomes coherent. Straight leg dark jeans. Use a dark woven flat so the texture reads but the color does not compete. Shoe 4. The structure step. You have probably seen this shoe on someone and thought, I do not know why that works, but it does. a derby, a lace-up Oxford, a low-profile shoe with a visible closure and a structured upper. This was for a long time the domain of androgynous or editorial dressing. It is now the most quietly subversive, elegant shoe available. It does everything the flat loafer does in terms of proportion, extends the leg, grounds wide silhouettes, reads as intention, but it adds a second layer of visual information. The lace or eyelet reads as structure, and structure in an outfit where everything else is fluid or soft is the signal that says the woman got dressed with a point of view. The formula: black slim or straight leg trousers. A cream or white derby against black pants is one of the strongest formulas available right now. Wide leg jeans. Choose tan or nude so the shoe does not anchor too heavily. Midi skirt with a tailored jacket. The derby lends a deliberateness that a flat alone cannot achieve. Shoe 5. The quiet luxury slide. The 5th shoe is the one that costs nothing to style, because it requires the outfit to be already considered. It punishes visual noise. It rewards restraint. The quiet luxury slide. A flat mule or loafer with a clean upper. Satin, smooth leather, or suede in a neutral. And no hardware, no platform, no embellishment. The backless construction is the point. It signals ease in a way that is entirely different from casualness. This shoe does not work with everything. And that is not a weakness. It works with the outfits that have already been edited, which means if you can wear the shoe and your outfit still holds together, you have built something worth repeating. The formula: wide leg or barrel leg jeans with an oversized blazer. The hem must reach the ankle for the mule to read as intentional. Linen midi dress, perfect. Ease plus structure. Shoe 6. The proportion strap. You were right about one thing. The Mary Jane was never just for little girls. It was borrowed, filed away, and is now back as the most proportional wear flat available. Clean leather or suede. Not a platform, not a chunky sole. The defining feature is the strap across the instep that creates a horizontal visual line just above the foot. That strap does something specific. It stops the eye. In an outfit with a long hemline or wide leg silhouette, a shoe would otherwise disappear into the fabric. The proportion strap keeps the foot present, readable, deliberate. It is the visual full stop that wide jeans most frequently miss. The formula: wide leg or barrel jeans, most effective. The strap holds the foot visible at the handbrake. An A-line or midi skirt. The strap creates an intentional focal point at the foot. Straight leg jeans tone match the Mary Jane to the denim to avoid the strap reading as a costume detail. There is a question worth asking when you stand in front of your shoe rack. Not which shoe is trending, but what is this outfit trying to do? And what does the shoe need to contribute to make it succeed? The sneaker answered that question for a long time by saying, nothing. I stepped back. I let the outfit work. That was for years the right answer. The right answer has changed. This is not about age. Women in their 40s and 50s have not suddenly lost the right to wear sneakers, but there is a specific moment when you look at a finished outfit and think, something is almost right. That feeling is almost always coming from the floor. And the reason sneakers stop solving it is structural, not personal. If the way outfits are structured, not just which pieces to buy, but why certain combinations land and others do not, is something you find useful. The subscribe button is below. Every video on this channel is built around that question.